solve commutative assessment number 13, the lesson 1, unit 4. Question number 1 shows the correct answer. Letter A. We have here if x minus 2 equals 7, then x equal. We can find x here, the variable x. We can find x here. X we called it the maniand. X minus 2 equal 7, then x will be 9. Okay. And next question, letter B. Ayman bought 3 pins for x lira each and he paid 18 Egyptian lira. Then x equal what? We can find the value of x about this example. Thinking about B, 3x equal 18. Ask yourself 3 times what equal 18? 3 times 6. Then x will be 6. You can write the equation. 3x equal 18. Then x will be 18 divided by 3 equal 6. Choose letter B. Question letter C. 20 plus 25 equal 5 multiplication space plus 5. We can use here distributive properties. Right outside the greatest common factor between two numbers here. We have 20 plus 25. Right, 5 outside here. Highest common factor between two term here. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. Then you can 5 in this space here, 5 plus 4, right? 4 in this part, okay? Question letter D. The algebraic expression of subtract 3 from k. Subtract 3 from k, write k in the first, and then subtract meaning minus 3, k minus 3. Choose letter B. Question letter E. If the product of x and 5 is 45, then x equal what? We can find the equation. 5x equal 45, then x equal 45 divided by 5 equal 9. Then x here will be equal 9. He asked about what? The equation. The equation will be 5x equal 45. The product of x and 5 is 45. Okay. Then x equal what? X will be equal 9. It will be 45 divided by 5. You asked about the steps here. Okay, you can write x equal 45 divided by 5. Choose what? About question letter E. Choose letter D. Okay, choose letter D about this example. Next question here, question letter F. In the equation x minus 3 equal 1. Again, x minus 3 equal 1. Then half x equal what? We know x minus 3 equal 1. Then x here will be 4. Because 4 minus 3 equal 1. Then half of x, half of the value of x here, x equal 4. Then half multiplication by x, x equal 4. Half of 4 equal 2. Choose letter B. Question number 2, complete the following. Letter A. The smallest non-negative natural number, it will be what? The smallest non-negative, it will be 0. Okay, because we know 0 is non-negative and non-positive number. Okay, so the smallest non-negative rational number is 0. Question letter B. If 4x equal 20, then 5x equal. We have 4x equal 20, then x equal 20 divided by 4 equal 5. So he won't find the value of 5x. 5x meaning 5 multiplication by the value of x here. 5 times 5, it will be 25. Question letter C. Ask it about what here? The opposite of negative 3 and half. You want to find the opposite about it. It will be 3 and half. It will be 7 over 2. We can change the sign about this number to find the opposite. Question letter D. The least common multiplication of 4 and 2. We know 4 and 2. 4 can divided by 2. Then the least common multiplication between 4 and 2 equal 4. And the greatest common factor will be 2. Because 4 can divided by 2. Question letter E. He asked about the dividend. The dividend here in this equation 2000. Letter E in the equation 2200 70 divided by 4 equal 567, and the remainder 2. He asked about the dividend here will be 2270. We called the dividend equal 2270, okay? And 2 called it the divisor, and 567 we called it the quotient. Quotient letter F, the coefficient in the algebraic equation here, coefficient will be 5. We have quotient letter F, 5x plus 3. He asked about what the coefficient here, it will be 5. 5 is the coefficient about this expression, and 3 we called it the constant. We have the expression contain of two terms here, 5x plus 3. 5 is the coefficient of variable x, and 3 we called it constant. Question number 3, solve each of the equation. Letter A, if x plus 5 equal 17, then x equals the difference between 17 and 5, it will be 12. And what about letter P, x minus 7 equal 15? We can find the median here by 8, 15 to 7, then x will be what? It will be 22. 7 plus 15 equal 22. Question letter C, 9x equals 63. 9x, it's meaning 9 multiplication by x equals 63. Then we can find the value of variable x here by using division. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Then x here will be equal 7. Question letter D, y over 4 equals 7. Then y will be equal 4 times 7 equal 28. Question number 4. Use the order of mathematical operation to simplify. We can use the operation here, parenthesis first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction from left hand side to right hand side. First come, first serve. About this example, first step here we can find parenthesis first, the operation here in parenthesis power 2. 3 power 2 subtract by 1 divided or plus 80 to 8 divided by 6 minus 4. We know 5 is coefficient about this parenthesis. 3 power 2 equal 9. 9 minus 2 equal 8 plus 8 divided by the difference between 6 and 4. 6 minus 4 equal 2. And then 5 times 8 equal 40. And 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Then the result will be 44. Understood? It's the result about this question. Question number 4. The result here will be what? Will be 44.